Hello everyone, I wanted to do a little video here of the generator coupled to Harmony, and it's not the most smooth thing because the generator has a little bit of run out. In other words, what that means is the shaft is slightly bent. So what I could do is shave down the top nut. Here, I'll try and give you a shot. So this coupling goes down over top and joins the shaft, the keyed shaft, on the opposite side here. There it is. Joins the keyed shaft to the generator. Now I have to, maybe tomorrow after I get back from work, weld some little pieces of steel together. Put a few welds in there on the front and on the back, and that will allow me to get that stabilized. And then, I don't know, I've got a few ideas how to join the generator but not have it permanently joined, because if that little bit of run out turns into a problem, then I'm gonna have to rethink the coupling. Might have to do a Lovejoy coupling or something similar. It's always something, right guys? But anyway, wanted to show you that the prototype generator, the generator we got from Missouri Wind and Solar, is installed. I have to do some welds. It's not the perfect union like I had hoped, but it'll probably get us the data that we're after. So each day things get a little bit closer as I have time and the availability to work on the stuff. I keep working on it, keep moving things forward. So I wanted to share with everyone that video. The generator is mounted, at least. I still have to do the welds. And I got new batteries. Woohoo! New batteries for the RC unit. So there is some stuff is disconnected right now, but I'll be machining up another part to hopefully make that connection a little better as well. And then maybe when I do the furling and unfurling, you actually won't hear the little motor struggling, because it'll be a much better, more correct connection. So that'll be good too. Anyway, I don't want to make a real long video here. Just wanted to make a quick short video showing everyone that the generator is now coupled. I'm not 100% happy with it, but I might still take it out to do testing, because we've all been waiting for a long time, and who knows when I'll have good wind, because that's the other thing. Even after I get the generator installed, I'm not necessarily going to have good wind conditions. So if anyone knows of wind tunnel facilities near Hershey, Pennsylvania, please let me know. I did reach out to Penn State last year, but I only had my little tiny plastic unit back then, the little 3D printed unit, and Penn State just kind of laughed at me, even though I'm an alumni, and sent them what I thought was a nicely crafted letter. They really didn't give me a time of day. I can't blame them though. A little plastic 3D printed turbine wasn't really anything to get them excited. So maybe if anyone has some pull with Penn State, you might be able to get me an audience with them. Okay, like I said, I don't want to make this real long. If you are interested in supporting our efforts, please remember we have a Patreon page now. www.patreon.com/creatingmore. I'll put the link in the description as well. Happy 2020 from Harmony Vertical Axis Wind Turbine and Creating More. Thanks, guys.